Have you been waiting, praying, and believing for something, but it feels like nothing is happening? I want you to hear this loud and clear: God is never, ever late. I know it can be tough when you feel like you're stuck in a holding pattern, watching everyone else get their breakthroughs, but your story isn't over. The Bible tells us in Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 3, "Though it tarry, wait for it, because it will surely come. It will not tarry." Sometimes, what we perceive as a delay is actually divine preparation. God is working behind the scenes, aligning everything perfectly for your good. He's not just preparing the blessing for you. He's preparing you for the blessing. When the time is finally right, God doesn't just meet your expectations, He exceeds them. He overdelivers. So, hold on just a little longer. Your moment is coming, and it will be better than you ever imagined. If you believe your blessing is on the way, comment "God's timing is perfect" below. And for more powerful messages like this, make sure to follow and subscribe to The Beatz Breaker.